Hello and welcome. What an awful job. I've pressed out the old bearings and hubs and now we've got to remove that long bolt. I gave them a good squirt with WD-40 and left the hubs for a few days. I broke my wooden lump hammer, so I got a new 6 kilo lump hammer. The bolts just lofted off. So it was time for some heat. Get the hub very hot, then put a spacer on the bolt and a big nut, and then use the original nut, tighten it up and pull the bolt loose, just break its grip, and then you can start hammering. Try not to burr the end of the bolt over, then it won't go out of its hole, but if you do, just cut the end off and you can drift the bolt out. I wire brushed, rust busted, and then painted the hubs and took them home for the weekend. A parcel had arrived from AE Car with the new bearings and hubs. They looked lovely, but I hadn't noticed the pack included the hub nut. I guess my tool come in handy. GSP or Akron aren't names I'd heard of. The web address is Italian and there's no mention of China on the packaging. I put my bearings and hubs in our freezer the day before fitting. And I left the hubs to warm up in the sunshine. This is my new cheap eBay bearing press. It's still at home for now, where I unpacked it. That worked well. The cold bearing slipped in quite easily with a good squirt of WD. Make sure the bearing is right to the end so the locking ring will fit at the back. With the bearings now as warm as the casting, the freezing cold hub also slipped in a treat. It's now time to insert the locking ring. This is a two-handed job, so I can't video it, but it went well. So that's it, job done. made easier by being a nice hot summer's day and being at home so I could use the freezer. Thank you, join us again, and thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.